Hello everyone, Blanca here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you're gonna like the video and I hope you're gonna subscribe. In today's video, this is gonna be a part 2 of my mesotherapy with FILLER pen for the face. I'm gonna be using this gold black pen 0.3 mil with the iron, which is basically hyaluronic acid. It comes in a box of 10 syringes like that, and each syringe is 2.5 mil, which I use for the mesotherapy for the whole face. You can do this every 10 days to see the best results. It's good to do 2 to 5 treatments, like I said, every 10 days. It's good basically for hydrating the skin, for aging skin, dry skin, for wrinkles, and like it gives you total like effect of like glowing. So that's the main purpose of the FILLER pen. I'm gonna wash my face and disinfect everything I'm gonna be using. Additionally to this mesotherapy, I'm gonna be adding some volume to my lips with the same pen I was using last time, the Neramis volume, and today I'm just gonna be adding some extra because you can just add it 2 weeks after or 1 week after. I didn't really have time 1 week after, so I'm just gonna be doing it today. Right now I'm gonna mark my face with my white pen. So you want to do vertical lines and horizontal, obviously, and you can do it as close as you want, 1 inch apart or closer. It depends what condition your face, your skin is in, or as you want. I don't think this is exactly in the middle. Anyway, middle of the eye. You can add here. And as I go, I'm gonna be removing the lines so then I know where I did it already. It looks cool, right? Okay, my pen is set. And let's get started. I'm gonna start from the bottom. It doesn't matter where you start, from the top, from the bottom. And I'm gonna be doing just one line, so one turn, which is 0.01. Let's start here. So you can always add some places whatever you want, like you can see like where you missed and add it there or in the cheeks. I usually do that, and as you can see, sometimes there is some pinpoint bleeding. It's normal. Some spots you're gonna have it, some not. The redness gonna probably go away by tomorrow. I still might have like some just the red spots in some places for like 1 or 2 days. That's perfectly normal too. And then just glowing skin. On the forehead sometimes I get bruising because it's just on the bone, so when I push it too hard I get bruised. Here actually I can do two. I have to hold it with both hands sometimes, so in some places that I know in my slip, so I just hold it to make sure my hand and the pen won't slip. Okay, now I'm gonna do lips with different filler because you don't use the same. Before I do the lips, I have a great tool that is very good to massage the face. It's like a massager, and it helps with like with all the bumps that you can have, it kind of smooth it out. So after that, mesotherapy, that's what you can like massage it, not pushing too hard, but that will help to not have too much bumps. Okay, now let's do the lips. For that I'm gonna put gloves because I'm gonna be holding my lips. The middle of the lips I usually do 0.02, which is 2 lines, and outside of the lips like I do the 0.01. So I was thinking to add for the what you call it, cupid bow. Okay guys, I'm done with the face, with the meso, and I'm done with the lips. I just wanted to add a little bit from the last time that I used. Now I use the whole filler, the Never Miss volume. This is 1.1, I think, yes. This is 1 mil. So I used it last time, and today I just wanted to add it some extra, and that's it for now. And I think in 10 days I'm gonna be doing it again with the Hyron and the Hyaluronic pen for the whole face, because I wanted to do at least the 5 treatments in every 10 days, because you're not gonna see the difference right away. You have to do a few treatments to see the results. So I guess I see you next time for the third one, and I see you in all the videos. I hope you like this one, and you're gonna subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet. I would really appreciate like it, share, comment, ask questions if you have any for me, and I will see you next time.